welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be doing a house tour in my blxberg house. So I'm really excited because I have never actually done one of these videos before. So yeah, and I'm using like my new headphones, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna wait and see. So let's go in. Okay, so here's my house. So let's start the tour. So over here, there's this little swing that I really like. I really like the swing. It's really cute. Then over here, we got this garage, of course, but I don't have a car. So, don't have a car yet. So, I just asked for decoration, I guess. And over here, there's some hedges, there's some grasses. So let's go inside. So over here there is two plants, and then there's this doorbell. Let's go in. So over here, first thing you see over here will be this bathroom with some fairy lights, and there's like this kid's toilet and a sink, and of course a shower and a bathtub. Then over here there's an umbrella. And then here there's a stroller and a little place for it to sit. Then over here is the kids' room. So over here is the bed, some toys, some books, this little crib, and diaper changing area. Then there's this little mat. And over here there's this little dining area with some candies. Then over here is my room. There's a computer, some makeup, and straw and bed. And over here is this living room, which I think is so cute. And there's this little fireplace, a phone, and some books, and of course a TV. And over here is the kitchen. There's a little seating area over here, and then there's some coffee, some toaster, this little dishwasher, a kettle, coffee maker, a microwave, and a blender. Then lastly, over here, there is this laundry area, which I think is really cute. Some dirty clothes, and here there's like this toilet, which is I think so cute. So yeah, anyways, here is like my whole house, and I really like this house. So yeah, guys, anyways, bye. I'll see you guys in the next one.